just sitting there waiting for our bus, and I thought this was a pretty cool mural. So, see the subliminal with the lady wearing the jewelry, and if you look up there in the corner, it's a Diamonds International. So that's where that store is. But yeah, it's pretty cool, I thought. Third day morning, we're sitting here at breakfast, and I've got, like always, the blue iguana breakfast burrito, a little bit of extra pico de gallo. So that's where it's at for me this morning. We're about to board a water tending, or a water tender. Sorry, our server from the evening, Capt. He just came up. He found us earlier. And came over to say hey, and then Teresa just came back, so now he's saying hey to Teresa, and it just kind of distracted me. Yes, Bean. Yes, Bean. Oh, you have a spoon. Yep. So let me show you everything. We've got Adam with the buffet breakfast. We've got Beanie with just some dry Fruit Loops. Kyler with some milk and Fruit Loops. And then all the not cool kids are sitting over there at that table. This is the cool kids table here. And the not cool kids are way over there. Teresa's got who knows what. I think they both got buffet stuff. Gregory got a breakfast burrito. And Punky has some Fruit Loops, it looks like, as well. So yep. And for today we have a excursion scheduled with Viator. And we did Stingray City and 2 other snorkel stops. And then the kids are going to the sea turtle rescue spot. And they're going to have a blast out there. It's going to be super fun for them. So we're excited with what the day holds. Oh, be careful. And so we'll be back and showing you throughout the day what's going on.
Punky has some Fruit Loops and milk.
Punky has Fruit Loops and milk.
And it looks like Kason has like some sausages.
Kason has some sausages.
I don't know.
Yeah, I got some sausages and hash browns.
Sausages and hash browns.
Cool kid.
She's not a cool kid like us, is she? This is the cool kid table with the milk on the chin and everything else. Get it straight. All right, we'll be back to you. All right, we got the loud motor of the tender. You might or may not be able to hear me, but anyhow, we are on the tender. We have Kason and Bean. We've got Punky and Kyler. We got Adam. We got Teresa. We've got Gregory. And we are in the beautiful port of Grand Cayman. Yes, sir. here at the Captain Marvin's. I tell you what, there's the ship. That was the spot where we brought the tender to. Water taxi, whatever you want to call it, depending upon your nomenclature. But yeah, so it was the plank that we walked, the boardwalk or whatever. You can see the tender getting off over there. And so we walked out, turned to the left, and bam, right there, like half a block away from it. So super easy. This is where we're going, who we're going with today, Captain Marvin's Stingray City Fishing and Island Tours. So, boom. Yes sir, yes sir. Never thought you'd be watching a Grand Cayman vlog and see turkeys in the, or chickens in the wild, huh? What about that? So, chickens in the wild. Yard birds.